What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $1,000 a month as a kid, as a teenager, as somebody with very little experience in the online money making business. So what can you do? Well, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing right now, and you can do it as well. So let's get started. So here's what I'm doing. Here's what you can do. It is very easy to do. Now, I did move my little screen over to hide the actual things that this guy did. So here's what I did. I ended up buying this Merch by Amazon account. You can see here last 7 days, and I'm going to show you the past months as well. On the Amazon.com marketplace, this person has not sold any t-shirt design. So yes, I'm talking about Merch by Amazon. You can see it up here in the corner. Here's what you need to understand is I ended up picking this up for $20. Okay, $20. I picked up this account. Let me show you something. Okay, here are the earnings for this account. Look at this. It's been open since September 2015. I think this is one like the first. I think the Merch by Amazon came about in 2015, like probably right around this time. And so this person didn't get any sales until September 2016. So over a year later, did good for a few months, and then nothing. Did a little bit better, nothing, and hasn't made a sale in the past 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Okay, maybe, yeah. Anyway, so you can see right here, I'm just showing you this is typical. A lot of people have Merch by Amazon accounts, but they're not using them to the best of their ability. Okay, and you can see right here, no sales. Okay, this person does have 10 designs, and that's why I'm kind of keep private down here. But the reason why I'm trying to keep this private is because I'm going to use this account to make $1,000 a month, and my goal is to get there before December. So it's currently September 9th, so I have the rest of September, I have all of October, and then I have all of November. Okay, so over 2.5 months to get to $1,000 a month. But how am I going to do that? So I want to show you what the royalties are in this. All right, here is from the resources page on a Merch by Amazon account. So I came to resources, clicked on royalties. This is what pops up. So for a standard t-shirt, which is usually what I sell on my other accounts, and I'm not going to do any promotion, nothing like that for this account. It's all going to be about keywords, SEO, that's it. Okay, so purchase price. My purchase price is normally going to be $19.99, so I'll make $5.38 royalty for every single one that sells. Okay, look at this. So for my quest to $1,000 a month, how many shirts do I need to sell? At $21.99, I need to sell 146 shirts a month, or 5 shirts per day. It's actually like 4.8, but I rounded up to 5. At $19.99, I need to sell 186 shirts per month, or that's t-shirt designs per month, or 6.2 a day. At $17.99, you see that it keeps climbing, 259 shirts a day, or 259 shirts per month, or 7 per day. So, like I said, this is where I am normally going to be at $19.99. I've had success over on my other accounts with that price point, so I'm going to continue with that here on this one as well. And I'm going to keep you updated, kind of show you what I'm doing and how the sales have been going. Okay, so here are my daily goals. My daily goals is to max out my submissions, obviously. You can see over here, well, it's not there now. Anyway, but you could have seen that I currently have 10 submissions I can do per day. I currently have 10 designs, and I have 100 max designs right now. I'm at the 100 tier on this account. Okay, so my goal is to max that out. What I will be doing is the 10 t-shirt designs that are currently on the actual account, I'll be deleting every single one of those because you can see they're not selling, so there's no point to keep them. So I will have 100 new designs within the next 10 days. So by September 20th, I will have, okay, I'm going to start on the 10th, not on the 9th when I'm shooting this video, but I'm going to start tomorrow, September 10th. I will do 10 designs every single day. Okay, my goal is to do a lot of research, figure out the different keywords that are working, getting some sales, getting more visitors, find a design that I think would be an ideal design for that specific target. Okay, and I'll be doing no promotion. It will be all from SEO, from the keywords right there on that listing. So one of the questions I get from people all the time is, okay, if I'm, a teenager, I'm in high school, I'm in college, I'm a working, mom of 6, and I have, a single mom. How do I make time to create 10 different designs? Well, here's what I want to show you because it's not that complicated. Okay, here's a design. I threw this up. Okay, this is not a good design. This is poorly done. It's small. Okay, the colors, everything, it's all off. All right, so I threw this up. Here's what you need to understand is, let's say I wanted to create this design. Okay, I wanted to use, the thing, I love Monday mornings. Here's what I could do. Okay, so let's say I come over here to Photoshop. Yes, I use Photoshop. Okay, I'm not great at it. Okay, obviously you can see that here. But one of the things I could do is, if I don't want this image, I can swap it out for maybe a calendar with the Mondays, maybe they're going to be highlighted. I could change this thing from I love to I hate. I hate Monday mornings. Okay, and I could go and change this to a guy that's frowning. Okay, a sad face, something with tears, whatever I want to do. So I don't change up the entire design. What I do is I make subtle adjustments. Okay, I hate Monday mornings. Okay, or Monday morning. Maybe I come here and I change this to yellow. Okay, change it to yellow. I'm gonna put on a black shirt. Okay, I do the exact same thing with. It's gonna render. All right. So I do the exact same thing with the I hate color. I change it up. Maybe I do. Maybe I do I love, Friday nights, Sunday mornings, whatever it is. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, that's where I'm going to be doing the research. Figuring out, okay, is there a specific, item, a specific logo, or not logo, kind of design I want to stick with, certain color palette, all that stuff. Because to get to 186 sales per month, it's going to take some work. Okay, getting to $1,000 a month isn't going to happen tomorrow. Okay, my other accounts are all over $1,000 a month, but I've also been working on those for, one's been I think it was like October, November of 2015. The other one came in 2016. I have another one that we did towards the end of 2016. So we have a bunch of different accounts, but this one's brand new. Again, paid $20 for it, but there's nothing there. There's no sales. All right. There's no. So this is showing July. Right now it's September. I guess it's just a month behind. Anyway, but you can see here this account's not getting very many sales. Okay, which is part of the reason why it's stuck at the 100 tier. Okay, but my goal is to get it up. Okay, I want to get out of the 100 tier because from my experience, I need to get to that 500 tier before I really start to see the sales. Okay, once I get to that 500 tier, that's when you start to see more sales. That's when you start to see, okay, these things are moving. You also get more options. Also, what I've noticed is for every 100 designs that my other accounts have, I'm only getting about 2 sales. Okay, for every 100 designs my other accounts have, I get 2 sales per day. Okay, so if I want to be at the $19.99 price point, and I need to get what is that, 6.2? Let me go look really quick. I don't remember. So 6.2 a day. So 7 sales a day. Okay, or let's just say 8, because some days we won't get there. Or we'll just say 7. Okay, for the sake of this video, try not to confuse you. But in order to get 7 sales per day, okay, if I get 2 sales for every 100 designs, what does that mean? So what that means is I need about 350 live active designs in order to get my 7 sales per day. Right? Pretty simple. The math is pretty simple. Okay, it all comes down to numbers. The more designs you have, the more quality designs you have, especially with no promotion, no marketing, no anything. You need to have designs. Okay, and you got to understand, and I'll give you a tip in a second, but it all goes off that 80-20 rule. 80% of your designs will yield 20% of your results. 20% of your designs will yield 80% of the results. Okay, here's a tip that I have for you guys. When you go and are thinking about design, go and look on Amazon. Go and figure out, okay, did somebody already create this shirt? If they did, is it selling? If it's not selling, okay, let's say 5 or 10 people have created a shirt and a design very similar to the one that you were thinking of in your head, and it's not selling, Does that tell you you should go and create that design? No. That tells you that's not the right design, or that design is great, but the keyword research, the SEO behind it, is properly done. So you have to figure out, what is it? Is it that design that's not working? Is it the time of the year? Because selling Halloween, type shirts in July is not going to do you very good. Selling 4th of July stuff in October is going to do you just as well as selling the Halloween stuff in July. Okay, you have to understand, is it because it's the time of the year? Is it because the design was just poorly done? Is it the keywords? What is it? Okay, I will spend more time doing my research than I'll spend actually creating the shirt. Okay, now, again, I am no expert with Photoshop. I do a very poor job, okay, but I can still get sales. Now, for this particular account, I will not be hiring my VA to do any of the designs. I do that with my other accounts, okay, and it works completely fine, but I want to prove to you guys, somebody with limited experience, as myself, okay, I have experience with SEO, I have experience with Merch by Amazon, okay, and I have experience with paid advertising. I'm not going to do paid advertising. I'm not going to, do any type of promotion, stuff like that, even free or otherwise. Okay, I'm not going to do that, like Instagram and Facebook and websites. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do all SEO with my keyword research and my designs that I do personally. Can I take this, well, it's not really a new account, but it's new to me. It's getting no sales, so technically it's a newer account. Can I get this to $1,000 a month? I think I can. I think I'll get there. Okay, what do you think? If you have been making money with Merch by Amazon, let me know down in the comment section below. What is your number one tip? My number one tip is to keep creating designs. If you stop, that is where your account usually takes a dip, takes a hit, and you stop making money. Okay? And you can see from the account that I just showed you, the one that I have now. Okay? This guy, he didn't do anything with it. Okay? But now I have it. I'm going to use it to the best of my ability. I'm going to put designs on. I'm going to get to that 100. Okay? I'm going to max out my submissions. And then I'm just going to wait. And wait and see. Let the sales roll in. Hopefully I'll get tiered up. When I do, I'll create more. And I'll just keep going. Okay? That's my plan. Hopefully you guys follow along. If you enjoyed today's video and you're going to follow along doing this exact same thing, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.